Hey there, iRoofers. This is Richard over at iRoofing, and I've got something really exciting today. Today is the release day, and I got myself one this morning, of the new Mavic Mini, which is the lightest little baby drone ever. But we gotta talk, before we talk about the Mavic Mini, what came before the Mavic Mini, my drone before the Mavic Mini, which was the DJI Spark. And this thing has over 1,000 flying hours on it. I've used it for roofing. I've used it, personally to take some really cool shots. I actually took the spaceship going up, the Tesla spaceship, but really cool. But he hath been kind of replaced and circumvented by a drone that's got some newer video capabilities, can look 100% straight down, and has higher resolution. So now it's time to go ahead and get unboxing. So what this is another tool to our roofers of the 21st century toolkit, where we've got our iPad, we've got our phones, and now we've got our drones. So we've got our unboxing knife right here. Let's take at it. So we're just going to go gently right there. Now this right here is called the Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. So you can either get the Mavic Mini on its own, which comes with just the drone, the remote, and one battery, or you can get the Fly More Combo, which has everything that's inside of here. So let's go ahead. We've got the Fly More Combo. Prices do vary based on where you are, but in the US are about $3.99 US for the drone alone, or $4.99 US for the drone with all of the extra accessories. And I have not opened this before, so let's see. There we go. And we've got it all nice in this little guy right here. So let us see what's going on there. All right, and believe it or not, there's the drone, and you can see it will flop out. Boom, boom. All right, should have brought those out first. Boom. Bring out that one first, and you can see, whoop, just a little piece of plastic that fell off. And this is the drone itself. And this is the Mavic Mini, and it is 249 grams. You'll see right there it says 249 grams, which actually makes it very interesting in registration and other things like that. We've got, let's take the remote. Plastic. We got the remote right here. Compared to the Spark, you can see they're very similar in remote capabilities there, you see. And what's cool is this one actually has removable thumbsticks, so you can stick it in your bag or anything like that, or right in the truck, and not have to worry about breaking those thumbsticks off. So that's a great benefit there. And we've got our battery charger right here. Now, one of the great benefits, again, is this one is only 1080. This is the Spark. This is only 1080. This gets you 2.7K. So almost up to the 4K of the big boys of the over $1,000 drones, but we're looking at 2.7K versus 1080, which is full HD right here. And we've got the battery charger here, and we should have some batteries right in here. That's what I would assume is in this box. Let's see. Cables. I guess the batteries are in here. There's a little bit more to the unboxing. So this is actually really cool. This is so you can fly inside. This is something that comes with the Fly More kit. And the idea of this one is you can actually put these on the drone, and it will give you the ability to fly without bumping into things. So if this is your first drone, you can actually use these outside. It will reduce your flight time a little bit. Now, compare between the two, you're looking about a 15 to 17 minute, realistically, they quoted a little bit higher flight time on here, and you're looking about a 25-minute flight time on here. So just to give you a bit of a realistic number, that's where you're looking at realistically, but you can pop these guys. I'm not going to try and put it perfectly on right now, but the idea is you would put the drone inside of here, and it gives you a little cage of safety here you can actually fly with. The one thing I'm looking for in my unboxing still, though, it's right on the bottom, is the batteries, which are right here. And the Fly More Combo actually comes with 3 batteries. So we've got 3 batteries right here, and the amazing thing is the drone and the battery together weigh less than 250 grams. So this is about 150. It's so light it feels almost like a toy, but it's not. And then we've got the battery right here, and we can take the battery and the charger. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get this all nice and charged up, and we're going to go for a flight. So the Mavic Mini is actually 249 grams, including the drone and the battery, and has a 30-minute max flight time as per the box, but that's in realistic situations. So overall, you're looking at about 25 minutes or so flight time, which is really, really good. It's with the big boys. It's with the Mavics and the Phantoms and all those others. We have a 4-kilometer video transmission distance. Again, that is in a perfect condition. You've got 4 kilometers of video transmission. So that's about 2.1 miles. Perfect scenario. You've also got a whole bunch of GPS and fall-over GPS. And one of the great things over the Spark is you've actually got a 3-axis gimbal instead of a 2-axis gimbal. So you have X, Y, and Z, pitch, roll, and yaw. So not only can you look up and down and have it stabilized, but you're also stabilized when looking side to side as well. What's also really good is this drone has its own very simplified application, which will give you a really good flight experience overall and teach you how the drone itself is best to fly and to get the lay of the land going on the drone and show you exactly how to get it set up there. Cool. This is your first look and unboxing at the DJI Mavic Mini from iRoofing, giving you an idea, from DJI, but iRoofing giving you an idea. And I look forward to showing you a bit more about the Mavic Mini as we go on. Have a great one and happy roofing. Bye.